Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to unhide hidden user from channel on YouTube. So basically, hiding someone's means their comments won't show on your channel, including on your comments page in YouTube Studio. It also prevents them from creating clips from your videos or live streams. So ito yung mga channel na na-hide natin dahil siguro may mga offensive comments, no respect and no manners sa mga sinasabi nila sa ating video. Kaya minsan nagagawa nating i-hide na lang yung channel nila. So ako kasi, ginagawa ko na lang, ina-hide ko yung mga hindi maganda or may mga offensive comments talaga. So nakakabastos, walang manners, no respect talaga sa ating mga content creator, para maiwasan na lang yung hindi magandang pangyayari. So, stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang buong step-by-step method dito, and then start na natin. So, ang next step, login lang tayo dito sa ating YouTube Studio or puntahan natin ang ating YouTube channel. And then dito lang sa top right corner, so kailangan mo lang i-click to YouTube channel profile natin. So, click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung YouTube Studio. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating channel dashboard. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung settings. Ito siya, okay? So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa settings, makikita mo dito yung general, channel, upload defaults, permissions, and then next ito yung community. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong community. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung automated filter. So, select mo lang dito. And then next, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung hidden user. Okay? So, nandito lahat yung aking mga hidden user channel. So, kung gusto mo ito i-unhide, so napakasimple lang naman. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong remove. So, X na icon. So, click mo lang yan. And then, automatic mga kaibigan na na-hide or na-unhide na yung isang channel. And then makikita mo dito sa baba yung save. So ang next step ay i-click mo lang tong save. Okay, so click mo lang siya. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano mag-unhide ng hidden user from channel on YouTube. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.